Hey everyone, welcome back to our survival series. Today we're going to learn a quick and easy skill that could save your life in a survival situation. Purifying water. Step 1. Find a clean container. Look for a container made of non-toxic material like glass or stainless steel. Step 2. Collect water. Find a water source like a stream or lake, making sure to avoid stagnant water or areas near pollution sources. Step 3. Filter the water. Use a cloth or bandana to remove any large particles or debris from the water. Step 4. Boil the water. Place the container on a heat source, such as a campfire or stove, and bring it to a rolling boil. Let it boil for at least 1 minute. Step 5. Let the water cool. After boiling, remove the container from the heat source and allow the water to cool down. Step 6. Store the water. Transfer the cooled water into a clean, sealable container, ensuring it has a tight-fitting lid to prevent recontamination. Step 7. Drink the purified water. Your water is now ready to drink. Remember to keep the container sealed and store it in a cool place for freshness. And there you have it. A quick and easy method to purify water in a survival situation. Remember, this is a basic skill, so always try to have a reliable water purification system or access to clean water sources whenever possible. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more survival tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.